Okay, so this is Lorraine, who's just come back and well, she's just doing some extra lip training and just an assessment day, and just basically a bit of a troubleshoot day and catching up with Lorraine. So how long ago did you train with Katy, Lorraine?
I trained a year ago.
A year ago?
Yeah.
Wow, and it was obviously a big decision because you were saying that, you know, starting a new business is quite a big thing, isn't it?
It is, yeah, but I just felt that it was the right thing for me, and yeah, it's worked out. It's going well.
Excellent, because you were a legal secretary before, weren't you?
That's right, yeah.
And
I worked in criminal law. Yeah.
Okay, so a little bit different to creating beautiful faces and eyebrows and things. And so what was your first steps when you left here? Because obviously you set up a clinic. Is it from home?
Yeah, my clinic's at home, self-contained room. I'm really pleased with how that's turned out. I just started advertising on a local social media platform for my portfolio models. I've got loads of inquiries. Things have been going well.
Excellent.
Yeah,
that's good. Well, you carry on. And so things were going well, and then.
And I've taken my eye off the ball with marketing. So today's really, Katy's really sort of got me back on track with that.
Yeah.
I need to own that and really, push that side of things now. But other than that, everything else is.
Wow.
It seems to be falling into place.
And it seems like you're inspiring a few people as well. Like we just had, we just had a client. Or just explain. We just had a lady that's just come in, and you've just done lips, upper liner, lower liner.
Yeah, upper, lower liner, and lips for my advanced training today. And she is 8 years younger than me, and she's thinking she wants to set up her own business.
Yeah.
She's wondering if she's too old, and I said, no, you're not. I started when I was older than you. I just think you just have to go for it. If you're passionate about it, then you're going to be successful.
Well, while the lady's been sat there getting her whole face transformed, she's gone out, effectively transformed her life. She's just decided, being sat here with you and Katy, that she's now going to set up her own business in personal training, was it, or something? Yeah,
personal training. She's an older lady, so she can appeal to a certain older demographic. She's had issues along the way, like we all have. But you can use that to your advantage. You can empathise with people. You can just help so many people.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not just about the looks, is it?
No. It's what's in here, isn't it?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And also, what have you taken from today? Because obviously, apart from learning a new skill like lips, which now you can go and obviously promote, and actually you're about to have your lips done with Katy as well.
I am. I had my eyebrows done earlier.
Oh yes, exactly.
It's good to have a point, sort of, to start to refocus, to review where you've got to, and to refocus and just think, okay, what's the best thing I can now do to move my business to the next level? So I'm clear now. I mean, I sort of knew that before I got here today. Yeah. But Katy's just so good at. She just gets to the nub of the issue. So I know exactly what I need to do, and I'm going to go away and do it. Excellent.
Well, I suppose if you look back a year ago, when you were setting up a business at an age where some people might think, oh, maybe I shouldn't set up a business now. You took the plunge. You went for it. Yeah. You've gone from sort of full-time legal secretary work, and now you're doing permanent makeup. So I suppose sometimes you've got to give yourself a little bit of a break and think, well, actually, a year down the line, would I have taken where I am now? Yeah. And where I'm about to go as well?
It's like, I think we're all guilty. We're good at giving advice to other people, to our best friends, but we're not very good at taking it.
Yeah, so, a bit like the government.
Yeah. But I say to people, you've got to be your own best friend. You wouldn't talk to your best friend the way you talk to yourself.
That's it.
So I think, no, I've made steps. I can see that I've made huge progress. So I do need to be proud of what I've achieved and just back off from being so critical, really.
Yeah, I think that's it. Self-criticism. It's good in some ways to improve yourself, but in other ways it can also stop you going forward. So it's got to stop at some point, isn't it? And think, actually, let's look at the positives. Yeah. It's good to eliminate some of the errors by being a bit critical, or what can I do better next time? But you've also got to realise how far you've come in a short period of time as well.
Yeah, just today, obviously, treating a client was a completely different experience to treating a client a year ago, because I was totally new to permanent makeup. Today I knew what I was doing. I was learning new techniques,
Yeah.
and, you know, different treatments. But that in itself just shows me just how far I've come in a year. So.
Well, not only that, but they're walking out of here wanting to set their own businesses up as well.
Yeah, yeah.
So there you go.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Well done, and we'll
Thank you.
look forward to. Well, I'm seeing you again in the near future, once you start doing your lips and all that as well.
Yeah, definitely. I'll be back.
Excellent. See you soon, Lorraine.
Okay.
Bye.